Hi guys, this is the tutorial for the problem Quarrels of Tom and Jerry, problem code SCC0104. So let's move towards the problem description. So in the question, we were given an array or a sequence of integers from 1 to n, and the array is 1 based indexed. That means the first index is 1. And now we are also given a sequence of discards. And in a discard, we have to remove all elements from the lower index to the higher index inclusive, doing the discards in order. And with each removal, the adjacent values shift, that is, they take their place. And we are required to tell the value present at the kth index at the end of all the discards. This is more of an ad hoc problem. So let's take an example and try to understand how this works. So let's say n is equal to 15, and the discards given are 3 to 4 and 4 to 5. So our initial sequence looks like this. And let's say the index to be observed, that is k, is equal to 4. Now we'll do the first discard, that is from the index 3 to 4. So we'll remove 3 and 4 and shift 5, 6 to take its position. And then we remove the 4th and the 5th, that is we remove 6 and 7. So our final sequence looks like 1, 2, 5, 8 and so on. And the 4th index contains the value 8, which is the answer. Now if we keep on doing these discards in the same fashion, then we'll have to keep track of the shifted values and the solution will get complicated and difficult to implement. Now let's break this down into two parts. First, we'll set up some base conditions and then we'll move to the problem solving. So imagine that this is the only discard, or this is the last discard, and k is 3 and the discard is 5 to 6. So will the value at the index 3 change? Obviously no, because 5 and 6 are not in range. So we can establish that if this is the last discard, k will only change if the value of li is less than or equal to k. And by how much? Well, k will become k plus high minus low plus 1. And why so? Because the elements from k plus li to k plus hi, both inclusive, will be removed. And so the next element will be k plus high minus low plus 1 to take its position. So after establishing this base condition, let's view this problem the other way around. Instead of doing the discards in the fashion given, let's take the discards in the reverse order. By taking the discards into the reverse order, we intend to find where would be k just before the last discard. And yes, we have established this earlier. So, and if we just focus on this word last discard, do you need some time to think? Well, we have already established this, and we found that only if li is less than or equal to k, then k becomes k plus hi plus li plus 1. Otherwise, we can ignore the effect of the discard. And if we keep on doing and repeating the same for every discard, such that it is the last discard, in the reverse order, we get to our answer. But what should be the value of k in the beginning? We can start by taking k as k, because the shift is absolute. The last catch in the problem is, when do we get minus 1? So because since the numbers are only up to n, if k becomes greater than n, we get minus 1. So that's it. Have a great day and have a great journey ahead. Subscribe this channel for more tutorials.